tell you something. Me hear them talk about the song, yeah. But a Michael Joshua Manley himself give the vision and the inspiration to drop in the song, yeah. Because there's a one you take me straight to Jamaica House. Straight to Jamaica House. One more time, selector.
March, march, we are march, march, march. Now we are marching on to progress. Time comes on the alarm. Now we don't care what deliverance say or what they say we are. Now we need to fight deliverance and to set Jamaica free. We are blood and fire comrades, and we march into victory. Everything they broke down, we are go build back. We are go build back better than before. Everything they take away, we are go bring back. We are go set it right and restore.
All right, time come for ease off the pressure. Ease off the pressure. We can't take no more. What we can take though is a new member of parliament in North Trelawney. That's what we can take. A former minister of tourism, a good man, a hard-working man, a man of peace, and a man who is going to show you what PNP progress looks like in North Trelawney. Your next member of parliament, Comrade Dr. Wickham Mcneil.
March, 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 we are march, march, march. Now we are marching on to progress. Time comes on the alarm. Now we don't care what deliverance say or what they say we are. Now we need to fight deliverance and to set Jamaica free. We are blood and fire comrades, and we march into victory.
Comrades, license plate number 6181KA. Honda 6181KA. It's a red one, but you're blocking an emergency vehicle. 6181KA. We'll continue to march.
March, 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 we are march, march, march. Now we are marching on to progress. Time comes on the alarm. Now we don't care what deliverance say or what they say we are. Now we need to fight deliverance and to set Jamaica free. We are blood and fire comrades, and we march into victory.
Comrades, can you hear me? Comrades, I hear that Prime Minister Andrew Holness was going to the function up at Wakefield and drove past the venue because he didn't see anybody there. So he stopped and asked some people on the road, where are the people? And they said, everybody is in Falmouth Square waiting for the People's National Party.
March, march, we are march, march, march. Now we are marching on to progress. Time comes on the alarm. Now we don't care what deliverance say or what they say we are. Now we need.
Comrades, make us big up our comrade leader, Mark Golding, and the members of the leadership on the platform. But I want to make a special announcement to my team because I work with a very solid team. And I want to big up my councillors, Comrade Faber Davis, Comrade Garth Wilkinson, Comrade Rydell Pete Hamilton, and the campaign manager, Comrade Dennis Meadows, because we work as a team and we're going to take it as a team.
March, 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 we are march, march, march. Now we are marching on to progress. Time comes on the alarm. Now we don't hear what the liberals say.
Comrades, today, as I said earlier, Prime Minister Holness was in the constituency. I hear when he turned off the road and he was driving up to the function, when the car licked the first set of bump in the road and him bounce up and him head licked the car top, him say, but Tova, I thought you told me that you fixed the roads in the constituency. I want to go on, yes, sir. Note. Prime Minister Holness was here today. Commissioning or signing off one of the things them sign every day. You can hear me now? Yeah. He was here commissioning the North Coast Water Resilient Program. And I was listening keenly to it because you were talking about all the new pipes that were going to be laid and how much water was going to be delivered to Montego Bay or St. James and Westmoreland. But I want to tell you something. I have no problem with the North Coast Resilient Program. As you know, I have been calling for it. But I'm telling you, in phase one, if they don't have the conditions in there to resolve the water problems that we have in North Trelawney, they're going to have problems with me. Because you cannot be developing all this water out of the source of Martha Bray. And the people in Bounty Hall or Danieltown or anywhere them don't have water, they must give water to North Trelawney. And I'm calling on the Prime Minister. I'm calling on the Prime Minister. Wheel and come again and look at the contract in phase one and make sure that water is provided for the people of Trelawney. So comrades, tonight we have a large string of people, but I want to tell you, time come in North Trelawney for proper roads. Time come for proper water. Time come for affordable housing. Time come for people to get the titles for their lands. Time come for a proper market. Time come for tourists to have policies that make them come off the ship so people can benefit from tourism. And time come for us to have linkages so our farmers can sell to the hotels and have a market and share in the tourism pie. So comrades, time come for good governance. And in closing, I want to say one thing to all of you. The last 2 weeks, for those of you that have been looking on TikTok, I have been searching Water Square, trying to find the statue of Usain Bolt. I've been trying to find a water fountain. I've been trying to find either a little water because all I can see is cardboard. So comrades, I want you while you're here in your hundreds and thousands, help me to look for the monument for the historic Water Square because I'm offering a cash award for anybody who can find it here in Water Square. So comrades, one love, one heart. We are blood and fire, comrades. Respect you.
March, we are march.